5 matches, 1 win, 3 draw, and 1 loss. That one will be the story of Bede Insurance now for the MPFL. And many of us now will know that they happy. Say, this will one time because the first time we have to do 3 draws, and that's why we can't lose 1. Can't be 3 draws out of 4 matches, you lose 1. 3 points out of 4 matches. Before notice the happen, and they can't win 1 and the rest. So this matter be say concern Bede Insurance. I want to look and where we day so now we have 1 day. And not just now we have 1 day. So we'll go there, we'll go bring people that won't be they charge for the supporters club for Bede Insurance. First we get the chairman of Bede Insurance Supporters Club, Chief Ogefa Osadola.
You're welcome. Thank you very much, Mr. Sada.
No, we don't speak grammar here.
No, not the grammar.
We got the vice chairman here. If you go call your name from me.
Richard Idausa.
Richard Idausa. I'm not asking you. Maybe I'm not going to ask you.
I thought, you don't already know my name.
Talk about yourself now. Okay. So that name, they already like that name, the way they call out.
Yes.
Chair, I'm not sure say yes, has it been now, thank God, so we get 6 points now. We get 1 draw, 3 draws, 1 loss, making 3 points, with 1 win, making 6 points from 5 games. Where would they for the table now? Not start from there.
I think we're in the 6th or 7th position.
6th or 7th position.
Yes, for now.
But you know, say yes, for the whole thing. I know say football, the league, na marathon, maybe dash, maybe say you run a marathon. As they go down and everything. Now where you want, maybe they should be this one. Abi, you want to make it past this one before.
We're not going to fit this position because the boys they don't try well.
Okay.
And there be small boys, they are just coming up. You see, every game, now our boys they improve.
Okay.
And I'll promise you for today now, we are getting a draw there or winning in Castina.
Okay.
Me as the chairman of Supporters Club, I promise you that. Okay. I promise I do people that.
Okay. But one thing when be say you will know, I see you here, chair. I see vice here. I see my other leader here. Another. Who will be the people who are calling for back of Bede Insurance for the casino?
Very good question. Thank you very much, Sado. We don't go, but our spirit did there with them.
Our spirit, what they can do now?
Fine. You see, we travel from here to Mina. From Mina for Niger State.
We not go to that side.
We go play ball.
Who will not play there? Maybe they know where.
We play Niger Tornadoes.
Okay.
We play draw. Never fight us. Gas us. But there. From there we go to Gombe. From Gombe to Benin is 21 hours. From even Mina to Gombe is 11, 12 hours. So for now, most of my boys they never even get themselves. That is why the government ready. Say, oh yeah, we can go. Now me personally, I need to say, I beg, Baba.
Be human being.
Next time, next away match, we will go so that make my boys see the rest more. Okay, because me alone, now if we go there, play drum, sing, dance.
Okay, I'll come back to you. Man, I meet you, Vice. This issue of Bede Insurance, because they are stressing that yesterday supposed to play this match. What you happen on the plan yesterday?
What the plan yesterday? They want to rally there.
Which kind of rally with that?
See, PDP want to rally there.
Okay, political rally.
So now they come beg. So now we come and say for today match, for that today match, now they want to play. Now I don't want to do the hotel being off. They agree say they will pay for the hotel, pay for everything. Okay. So I make them want to plan today.
Okay, but the Bede Insurance next match now, you go come. Person just feel they go because just look the distance now. They travel from here, go that side. You just they come back and before you can't come back because if you come back that same day, okay, maybe you come the next day. When you come the next day, they constantly say next day, but day. How person go fit take play where that time?
Wait, my vice, make an answer, Mr. Sado. You see, that is why I said these boys are young boys; they are just coming up.
Okay.
And if you look at the stress given to them for now, at least, honestly speaking, it's stressful.
Okay.
You understand? How can you play a match in such very far distance? Then you come back the next day, or maybe
you sit down for Samoto.
When you sit down for Samoto, don't be flight they use that moto. You sit down for moto for 24 hours. At least know how you must get. That is why they beg all Edo State people. May they not beg, say, may they not beg, say we play draw, or because those boys, even me, I understand. That is why me now we the supporters are supposed to quarrel first, because their winning is our salary. So as far as we take calm, say, oh, make everybody calm down, because this one and small boys, they are just coming up from Pro League to Premiership. We don't buy any player. The same boys that qualify us from Pro League to Premiership, the same boys. And when we qualify, they don't give us enough time to recruit. Those some boys, at least, they are human beings like us.
But one thing when we say we will know, we don't the plan say make una come Premiership. Una come Premiership. We not sure say yes, now go prepare. Say yes, say make we dey recruit or make we dey train people when we say we go come up. May I ask you?
Preparation not just come like that.
Okay.
Because you know football, and I will tell you. Because what you don't know, you ask, and be say you want to
learn. I don't know football. Since I don't play, me no play football.
You play football that time. I felele now you play.
Let me felele. I play for Sacco
or listless.
Okay.
See, for preparing for football, when you don't do young, as my chairman just said, the thing is very difficult to see, or it's very easy for us to say as we are saying it. So, preparation when you do for amateur, you come promote to Premiership. Say you want just say make you play like that. It's not difficult, but I just thank God for our boys. As my chairman, I don't talk and say, how do we prepare? When you ask that question, how do we prepare to be playing in the Premiership like that? Now, by God's grace.
But Leicester City, they come off from this thing, enter Premiership. They win the cup at once.
This very cup we win.
They go win this
yes,
league.
Yes, see, Thomas, we dey promise you.
You see, like when we go play tornadoes for away.
Not just tornadoes.
The coach say, tell him the other coach say.
Gumbe coach. I mean. Our next match.
Say no, look this boy like that. So
okay.
If you look like that, they'll disgrace you.
Okay.
When nobody come here, better say you know watch them, you know go do match everything.
I go.
Oh, we no chance to better boy people be. But when you match, also better open match say, I'm better this, but don't look there. Whatever you see to have, say don't look this boy like this, they'll disgrace you.
Okay.
So the boys as they play match, so they improve.
Okay. If I look all of them, if I say that I say make we stand, you go say all of them are big.
Yes.
You understand? Why I no? I still there with them. I'll come to now. Why I no get it? Because if you stand now, what if people say Okpena was go, and now you job big, the big man. When I play Kwara United here, I go that match. Their top attacker, they're 29, number 29 there. If he hold ball, if I thought those don't score, but you know say the guy get presence. You don't understand? He go both the defender, go everybody because he get presence. He could be like this Diego Costa. He could be like the Drogba and the rest. Why would I not think of say yes, we could get person when it be like Kuna, make it day for attack?
Now be what I would tell you just now saying that quick recruitment.
There was no time,
and we not there for football, not there by big.
Okay.
I don't understand.
But that presence there.
See, you see, Ochomole that time when he did for governor for Edo State, he's very small, but in action now what?
Okay.
That's what our hobby.
Okay.
Like the last match we played, so when we play with the Lobby Stars. You not see Lobby Stars, and they are Nigerian champions. We disgrace them. If not be maybe small hard luck when you worry that from when they reach like 3 or 4. If you go down, you will see her now. So football not be by big. You will see that time that my blessed memory late Oko. It was very small, but if you enter field, when you go dribble big person, you go surprise. So not by big for football.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, make we come to this other matter when we say this thing. All of us they look at now. The number of goals when we say Bedesha has not conceded now just about 2 goals not conceded. That should say yes, the defense good. The midfield they try to support, but people say they not today at home with the attack. I'll come to you, Chair. Unless I be Chair, make I ask you. People say they not today at home with the attack. What can they do in that line?
The attack be okay.
Nah, they okay.
They be okay. Football. Not say once they play football, I say they grow.
Okay.
So they improve. The whole team they okay.
Okay.
I just maybe just give on. I just putting a time. Putting
for blending.
You just said they'll blend.
You don't feel say yes, we need some people, some level of recruit because you talk just now say we don't get to recruit.
We need.
Maybe you say don't get to recruit. They say time I talk and say
second round now.
By mid-season.
By mid-season now. If we get 1 or 2 attackers,
okay.
They want midfielders.
Okay.
Now we just need.
Okay.
But with time, you know, just say with time, if these boys grow this for this season, next no team will stop them. Okay. No, they will be home and away.
Okay. Well, if I don't make a mistake, now almost the same spirit when they catch Bede Assurance for here. Now they catch Arsenal for UK, London. Now they call the Benin Arsenal. Because they get the ability, they go, that time, they go for secondary school, university, go recruit people, come and play. You know, they already build for the future. It'll be like Arsenal for this now. They see they bring for academy, they come, they play. Another kind of thing. When they patronize academies at all to make sure say yes and if you bring up, and I just blow so who they for New Benin come who they for Bagwe come who they for Upper come what to do recruitment. And then they get something like say academy when we say yes and train people, but yes. That academy.
Yes, we get, and that is why I thank you for this question, and I will use this medium now to thank our government, Noge Ase Obaseki, the excellence, the governor of Edo State, and the deputy. I always call him Okurimeta. That is 3 in 1 man.
Oh, the deputy.
The deputy.
Okay.
Because
Anna Philip Shaibu.
Yes, because he did try. This question when you ask, the team don't already do on ground. We have almost 40-something boys for Bender Insurance. The one where we don't want to use now, we will carry them back to academy to blend them up again. Okay. No one where would they drive. Because it's June, football is June and July.
Okay.
This man would fit day form today. The other one would day form.
Okay. So football. June I be day form. July be not day form.
Yes.
Okay.
So now so it be.
Okay. I want to find out one thing just before I go. Let on the comment for time. Not be our friend now. At the end of the day, people no go there happy say better just they come. Then they go back after we spend 11 years. Maybe what people want here. I'm not sure say yes now what people want here. The way when we say we they go now, how we go take make hope they say yes we will remain. Make I ask you. Hope they say yes we will remain.
That question too much for an amigo ask. See, make I tell you. Wait, make I tell you.
I don't because see the word
make I tell you. That question too big for an amigo ask that question.
Yeah, they ask you chair.
Bender Insurance, you see, you don't tell where we dey inside.
Okay.
Bender Insurance where you they see now. We are getting continental tickets.
For this one with this?
Yes. We are getting continental tickets. But the only thing when I go use this medium beg all I do indigene, I'll beg people well on truth of money they worry. When other things want come play us for Benin here, and we know say yes, Benin Arsenal, Bender Insurance is our own. Some people will join outsider, they collect just because of money. So they say, oh, no worry, that defender, I see where you go past this one. That one a bad thing. And then forget, say, when we get continental, even this match is where we they play, so this premiership where we they. So I believe everybody surrounding that place, that pitch where they play the match, they enjoy Bender Insurance today. Because if you sell pure water, if you sell 100 naira before, when Bender Insurance they play, you must sell more than that. At least we teach you they assist these boys with prayers. Because the benefit now for everybody, not before only one, not before only supporter.
Okay, and they see one thing there. They lose, they no score. When I see they dance, where that spirit from come?
Not the spirit of football or supporters.
Okay. So even if you are down, you are still happy.
Yes.
But you know happy that when I tell you make we come out take picture together, you say you know they happy, but they shall never score.
You know say tension day match.
Okay.
Tension the day. For at least 10-5 minutes, say, why we never see score?
Okay.
And maybe at that particular time when you can't talk, say, oh boy, come out take picture. I don't go even answer you.
You know if you answer me, say that we can't get to the best.
I don't go even answer you because now that go now be my salary. I never receive.
Okay.
That's where they work, you never receive, you go happy.
Okay, now once they score, I don't receive that.
Oh,
okay.
I don't receive.
Okay. Before I go let you come out, I just see you that day, even at your age and all of that. You see they get that passion. You they dance, you they throw a body, they shake body and all that. You know sit down all through.
Yes.
For the beginning of the match to the end of the match, you know sit down. Where that strength they from come?
And the zeal when it did my body because of the football. Because even though I was sick for house, I must make sure I watch Bender Insurance because Bender Insurance blood did my body. So now it make me really tell some people when you don't want to come stadium, when you come watch us come play. Because when you did, people when you never even see for some time, you go see them. Now take chat, take chop together, discuss, most other things like that. So the football is in our body even as we are sitting here. So we not get time to, if you hold food now, if I hold cola now, the time when we get to that place just now before we come this studio here, you bring one cola come out, we share them. you give chairman just pray put give me we chop. So as we are in that mood, we are very friendly, and that thing dey motivate people. And when even the players saw we in our stand, especially when they saw my chairman or we the supporters, even though na Brazil this time go win them. So for that yes, even the match we are playing on Wednesday next week now, me I wan beg you with this opportunity make you come watch us for Akure. No, we dey go Akure.
Okay.
So that we are going to win Sunshine of Akure by God's power.
Okay. One of that matter dey for ground. This na the matter when e be say the concern say we dey play the ball dey go. Government no go fit do this thing forever. Government na dey support una reach this stage. Una go fit dey do meeting with government. Now they say government all the time, put for government. In this case, now what una dey do? Because you see some white people, they get some kind of sponsors. You see some big company for their back. But they show as a company now, you know, they again, they push this in, they go. But when the company fold up, una say no, the team go still remain. The question I want to find out for now: if state government, this government no go do there forever. If government won't be no like football, can't enter the way this one take like, where will come be the future of Bender Insurance?
Thank you very much. You see, before you see Moki don't see you.
Okay. So before I ask the question, you already know the question.
I don't know the question we want to ask.
Okay.
That is why I talk just now, say, our deputy, I always they call her Okuremeta.
Okay.
This question where you they ask, so the man don't they make provision for all these things.
Okay.
Bender Insurance now go the first money for themselves. I don't know if you understand.
I do with you.
Bender Insurance go get pure water. Maybe they'll get Coca-Cola, for example. They'll get this one. The money where the companies they bring, where these ones they bring,
Until they form the
until
team.
they form the team.
Okay.
The man don't plan now, already done.
Okay.
So that is why if I look, I'll say, Okuremeta. Before Okuremeta, when Yoruba they say Okuremeta, that is 3 in 1.
Yeah.
So now it be. So this question, they don't arrange everything down. You don't arrange it down. It's okay, like this just when I wear now. If you want to now, you know where you go. The money in Bender Insurance own.
Okay.
So now say it be. You will see person they work out for streets now. You go wear Arsenal. You go wear Liverpool. You go wear Chelsea. You go wear Barcelona. Now company. I will not be so. So those money now that policy they go.
Okay. Before I'll come out now, people they fight for when they go this. They say they score against their team, home team. You know, their home team score, they disqualify the goal and all that. I see, yes, a Bender Insurance score goal against Kwara United for their last match. Referee disallowed the goal.
There was no fight. Yes.
Nothing.
Because we know the way they do.
Okay.
For football, no violence in football.
Okay.
See, I always use one language, say it's June and July.
Okay.
If you win me today, tomorrow I will win you.
Okay.
Team will come draw us here now. They will get the man say, Bender Insurance will go draw for home. They will say, no worry when they come. They go see on that day, go be like Indian film. And so go be for their eye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Chief Mr. Adelo.
Okay.
Thank you. The chairman of Bender Insurance Supporters Club. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, my brother, my vice chairman. May God continue to bless you. I thank you so much. So your own name,
Inododia, aka Odegbe.
Odegbe. They call you Odegbe. I'm not going to do the one we say.
Hello.
You don't be that one.
No.
Okay, then who go fit call you that?
Yeah, like when I went to small children, no fit call that.
Okay, I don't tell you now. Who go call out Odegbe? Because no be name, because you know reach to call out.
No.
Thank you so much. We don't talk about people who be say come for Bender Insurance. Don't tell us so many things. I don't tell us say at the end of the season, continental ticket a day. Our prayer be that make all of us they pray make it say Bender Insurance get continental ticket.
And me our people know they support away team.
Okay, come home, come support your team. No support a away team and give Bender Insurance. We'll take small break. We'll come back for where we say we'll continue for where we say we'll stop when we come back.